to the spot where the fish are. Okay, let's go, guys. Going. No. Popped out. Oh, it's a big one.
Is it?
Yeah. No.
Ready?
Yep, they're out here, guys. They are out here. Dad, you just have to. Oh, never mind.
There you go. Oh, got him. Oh, we missed him again. You want to have it? Let you have it?
Yeah.
Yep. That's right.
Yeah, croaker. Inside his belly.
No, that's a
No, that's a milk.
Oh, that's what happened.
nail cut. You guys are the ones. We're on them.
Yeah.
Spitting it out.
There it is.
Get him. Get him.
This one's I'm catching.
Oh.
Spoke too soon. It's hard when right when you're lifting it.
Here you go, Benny. You want him? Here you go. That's a good one. There you go.
Keep the rod tip up.
There you go. Right. There you go. Oh, he got off on it.
They,
You're all right.
they keep getting out.
You watch out. Go ahead, Z.
Oh, that thing almost ripped that rod out of me.
Get him, get him.
I thought that rod was that was okay. Oh, right on the right there.
Let's go, Finn.
Like that.
Oh, you got him. Good job.
Good job.
Let me see and eat it.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, Z, let me see your lure real quick. I think you're a little crooked.
That was cool. He ate it at the boat.
Oh yeah, the head popped off.
Got a little nibbled on it.
You want the same one or a different one?
Same one. Thank you.
Did you get it on video?
No.
You didn't get it on video, and it didn't happen.
Nothing.
Isn't that how the kids do it these days?
Take a picture with it or throw it in the water? What do you want to do?
I'm just gonna throw it in the water.
Okay.
See ya.
All right.
I need a new one.
Birds are over there, babe.
I know I see that.
Okay.
Put that hook
Really
right here, and then reel it in. Make it tight.
It's got to be in the zone. If not, we just.
Okay, guys. I'll see you guys when we get over to the birds. See ya. Okay, guys, we're back.
Good joke.
Go.
Get him. All right, you missed him, I think. Did it go under?
No.
There you go, just like that.
Oh, there's one following it.
Is there?
Yeah, but it.
We can reset on them. They're starting to kind of pile up again.
Oh, one blew up on the bobber.
Yep. Really.
No, it blew up on the.
Horse is on. Lost it.
Get it.
Yep.
Oh, go.
You got one?
Oh no, it's not. They keep blowing up at it. Right.
Pretty fresh and good.
Hey.
Well, I was gonna tell you too, just so you know, just like, I don't know, it don't really matter, but. Yeah. Dang.
I about smoked that bird right there. They're not biting it. What? That other spot they were biting. I think I got one.
You have one.
No, I don't feel it. I think the bobber's messed up.
Yep, let me see.
Oh.
Did it? They're in here.
Going.
Ben, come here.
Okay, don't cry, you got it.
Reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it. Reel it. Put it on the boat. Good job. Good job.
On the board.
Where did it go? Right there. Got a fish.
Alright, go get your rod. Try and catch it out.
Okay, let's strike it.
You're okay. So just reel it, okay? I'll throw it out there, just reel it.
You get one yet?
No, got a bite and I hooked it, but it fell out. Or like I got it,
huh?
but it like.
Okay, just reel
Chop, get it.
Someone's following it.
it.
Come here.
Hand it off.
Here. Put it on the boat. Yeah. Nice.
I want to unhook him.
Here,
He is.
look at it. Where's Keith?
No. Going.
Boy,
It's a small one though.
the one.
It's a pretty good one.
Sweet.
Raymond. There you go. Benny, come on, buddy.
Ben, get hit.
We're catching them.
Go get Uncle Zake's rod.
Come here. Put it down.
Jake will help you.
Reel him in, reel him, reel. There you go. Good job. Here you go, bud.
Oh, there's one. Thank you. Almost hit that bird. Go. No. Going. Oh.
There you go, baby. Get that fish. little jerkin. There you go.
And pull it, and reel it. Go,
Go,
Finn.
go, 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 get him!
Got him.
Get him! Oh, he spit it out. Dang.
Right at the boat. Yeah, you hooked set this one good.
Need some help?
I know. I'm good.
Alright.
Yeah, that's what I was good.
Oh, dang.
These artificial baits are not that bad. Got one. No, it popped out, I think.
So when you do like this, reel him, do like this. Okay? There you go. Oh, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
I got one.
I think he popped off, I think.
Hand this one off somebody.
Got one. Let's go. No, it popped off.
There, Benny.
Oh, where's your phone?
There goes the rod.
Careful with that rod.
Alright, baby. Get your, get those two off the ground, please. And then let's put them in a rod holder so that they do get hit.
Want a picture of them?
That's so funny.
All sorts of stuff.
Alright, good stuff. I'm gonna get this one.
Got him.
There was one that blew up on it.
Why spit it? Because I didn't have a hook set.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Oh, sorry.
You know what I don't want too much.
Got one.
Got him.
No, I don't. Yeah, I do.
Keep going.
Oh, it popped off right there, I think.
Holy shit. Hey, just do me a favor and at least think about how much line you have out. Good job. Keep going, keep going. Might be little. You might have your bobber tangle too. Yeah, that's it. It's okay. Come to me.
Maybe I'll see you in a little bit. Peace.